Hello guys, welcome back. Nandito tayo ngayon sa LX Airport. Naglalakad. Ay mag-plane spotting tayo ngayon dito guys. Yung asawa ko, dala-dala yung tripod niya. And here's the airport. International Airport. Lots of plane taking off. Ayan guys. Lapit na tayo sa destination. And there's another plane taking off, Delta. Behind, right there. Delta's taking off. Delta. Oh, nice day. Huh? What?
Stop filming.
Alright guys, so nandito na tayo sa airport. Ayan, United Airlines is taking off, guys. Look at that. Lots of plane. Lots of plane. And we have Virgin Island, Virgin Atlantic. Air France is taking off. Air France is taking off too. Okay, guys. Alright, dito tayo sa kabila, guys. Air France is taking off. Guys, tignan mo. The airport, guys. Maraming, there's a lot of planes taking off. Oh, there's a Southwest is taking off. Oh,
Breeze.
oh Breeze. It's a Breeze airline. It's taking off. Look at that. We can go to our spot over there. Look at that, guys. Wow. Breeze Airline. Alright, guys. Welcome back to LX Plane Spotting. Oh, Air France is taking off. And there's another plane landing. Here comes Air France. Oh, there's planes landing. Delta landing. Ah, at the same time. Ah, look at that. Wow, that is so cool. Wow, Air France taking off. Delta's just landing. That is crazy. What? Unbelievable. Wow. Air France, see you later. That is crazy, guys. Delta just landing and Air France take off. Oh my goodness, that was so cool. First time seeing that. Yan, Southwest taking off. Alright guys, so nandito tayo sa LX International Airport. I'm right here, hiding in the bushes. Nice day. And there's a homeless right there. We're close on the highway.